I would say Daniel's session is a really great option for any organisation looking to empower their people to really take control of their career and doing it in a really exciting and energetic way. I'm Tessa, I'm from Pitcher Partners. So we brought Daniel here today to the conference to really help with shifting that mindset to really making the most out of your own career and what skills are important for that. The biggest takeaway in being able to take that accountability and really breaking through those barriers that you might have around what's holding you back and realising that you do hold all of that power and today can be the start of that. Daniel brought a lot of energy to the session today. Sometimes it can be a bit of a quieter group at the conferences, really getting out of our shells when we step away from our day-to-day at the firm. So we really appreciated Daniel's energy. He brought some acting skills which were very impressive and a lot of laughs. I would say Daniel's session is a really great option for any organisation looking to empower their people to really take control of their career and doing it in a really exciting and energetic way.